Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you the Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra. These headlights are going to be a significant upgrade when compared to the factory lights if you're looking for a much better view going down the road. Now these lights fit multiple models. They will fit the 2014 to 2018 models that have the factory LED turn signals and the models that don't have the factory LED turn signals. The only difference comes down the road with the installation with the different harnesses that are used, which are also supplied in the kits. Morimoto did a great job when putting these headlights together. The UV resistant lens is built just as durable as the factory components. This allows for a much clearer view when it comes to looking at the headlights and when it comes to the light output. The back half of these lights are constructed with some of the same factory features such as the LED drivers and the moisture vent. These headlights also feature a large 3-inch bi-LED projector for a significantly brighter light output and has a more defined cutoff when compared to the dull factory projector. As you can also see, they have a large C-shaped DRL that features a dual intensity setting. You will have a very bright DRL for the daytime or running with the headlights off. That has the OSRAM 5K LEDs providing the light output. The other setting will be for when the headlights are on. Being the lower setting, this will allow the headlight beams to shoot through. All of this is controlled automatically by the factory light sensor. For the installation, we are going to have to remove some components from the factory grille, but other than that, these should be an easy install. The same goes for adjusting the beam pattern. Morimoto has made it very simple to adjust and get the light dialed in to where we want it. A simple turn of the top adjuster screw and we can easily dial in the beam. Starting off under the hood, we are going to remove the push pin retainers holding the panel in place. There will be a few of these to remove. In the fender rails, we will have to pop the trim out of place so we can remove the painted trim around the lower portion of the grille. Remove the 7mm screw holding the trim piece to the fender. Then carefully pop off the trim by pulling the backside of the trim piece. This will allow us access to the other 7mm screw that cannot be seen facing up. This same process will be repeated for both sides of the truck. With the screws in the fender trim loose, we can carefully pull the painted bezel away from the lower portion of the headlight. This will require some force since the body clips will be fairly tight. The bezel will only need to be pulled away till it reaches the grille. Under the truck, we can access the remaining clips holding the painted bezel to the grille. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we can loosen the clips and push the remaining portion of the grille out. With the clips loose, carefully pull the bezel and set aside for reinstallation later. To remove the grille, we are going to have to remove the 4 upper and 4 lower 10mm screws. Now that the grille is loose, carefully pull it to pop it out of its retaining tabs and set aside. With the grille out of the way, we can remove the 4 10mm screws holding the headlight to the body. To loosen the clip, pull back on the red retaining tab and squeeze the clip to remove it from the headlight. Repeat this process on both sides. Okay guys, one more thing before we can say goodbye to these old headlights is that we will have to take the lower bracket here and the weather strip seal up here at the top. A T20 Torx and a flat blade screwdriver will get these off no problem. Using a flat blade screwdriver, carefully remove the gasket from the factory headlight. Then remove the 2 T20 Torx screws and remove the bracket. Install both the gasket and the headlight bracket to the Morimoto headlights before installing them onto the truck. Going back together, this model Sierra does have the factory LED turn signals, so we will not need the additional harness. All we have to do is simply plug it into the factory connector. Then for the turn signals, this is where we can decide if we want the sequential function or the non-sequential function. We're going to leave this one unplugged for the sequential function. Install the headlights reusing the factory bolts to hold the housings in place. Alright guys, now before we go ahead and wrap up the installation, you're going to want to make sure the headlights are plugged in and functioning properly. This will ensure that everything is in working order before we go ahead and put the grille and everything back together. Now for you guys that don't have the factory LED in the DRL on the factory headlights, this wire right here is going to help you with these new headlights. It's going to tap into fuse number 36 right under the fuse box under the hood. Then all you have to do is route the wires to the headlights and make the connections there. At that point, everything will be in working order. With the headlights configured the way we want, we can now reinstall the other factory components back in the factory location. Now with the headlights installed, we can sit back and enjoy the new modern appeal along with the much brighter functions out of these Morimoto headlights. The gloss black housings finish off almost any truck build, and the bi-LED projector will give us a much clearer cutoff when it comes to our view going down the road. The OSRAM 5K LEDs in the DRL are sure to complement the overall headlight functions with its brighter features in the daytime operation and the dim features in the nighttime operation to complement the bright projector. Let's not forget about the custom touch with the sequential turn signal. This function is sure to grab any motorist's attention to keep you safe on the road. Now remember, if you do not prefer the sequential function, it is easily taken care of and you can still have the bright amber lights to grab some attention. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about the Morimoto headlights, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.